these generators are 75 feet tall. But you're only looking at the very top 30 feet of the generator. You'll also note that some of the generators have a light on at the very top, and that is to indicate that those generators are operational right now. If we were to take all the rotating parts inside one of these generators, folks, not to a weight of 750 tons. It takes 22,000 gallons of water.
Water below is called the tail bank or tail race, which here is actually the Colorado River. This is where the water drawn from hundreds of feet below the surface of Lake Mead spills out through the turbines and flows on downstream. The water temperature out of the turbines averages 53 to 55 degrees. You'll notice the roofs of both buildings appear to have wires coming out of them. This is called the takeoff structure. It's a valve house. There are two valve houses, one on each side of the canyon. Each building contains two 90-inch gate valves. These valves allow us to discharge water directly from the lake, bypassing the turbines whenever needed. Above the valve houses, stretching across the canyon, are six 3.5-inch diameter cables. Following the cables to the right, you will see the lifting mechanism of the crane supported by the cables. This is an original construction of the dam. It is the oldest and largest continuously operating cable.
Wir sehen mal einen Ort in Kanada, wo die Blätter gewesen, aber es noch kleiner.